Today is Sunday, May 27th. The time is 9:14 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Top Supreme Football Break, break number 16. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards, www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. First card, Titans, Jamie Harper, rookie, serial number 302 out of 429 for the Titans. Next, Aaron Rodgers, Packers, serial number 348 out of 429. Next, for the New England Patriots, Stephen Ridley, rookie autograph, serial number 51 out of 55. And the last card for the Oakland Raiders, Darren McFadden, serial number 90 out of 99. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending today for 2011 football, I have Panini Prime Signatures. Also listed for 2011 football box breaks, Panini Gold Standard, Panini Crown Royale, Panini Certified. For 2010 football box breaks, I have Panini Crown Royale. And for Major League Baseball, I have 2011 Tier 1 Baseball. And I will be listing more breaks throughout the week, including a few hockey breaks